Hi everybody, this is going to be a short video. I painted all the body panels, if you can see. Painted it all. I just fogged in the inside because you're not going to see that anyways. But that's one of them. Here's the fender. There's a seat support. And then I'll remove these badges. I'll show you how I do that. But here's a gas tank. And this is just a short video. Yeah, how you mix it. I'll show you again. Okay, I use this paint. This is folk art paint. And then I mix it 50-50 with this. And then I put a couple drops of this in. What this does, so the paint doesn't dry at the tip. This is really good for that. So you don't get no tip dry. What that means is the paint clogs up at the tip. And if it clogs up at the tip, it won't spray. So you just need a couple drops. Like I use maybe that much paint. Put that much paint. And then 50% pledge. And then a couple drops of this. And then you shoot it at about 30 psi. And you're good to go. Any questions? Just ask. I'm more likely will answer them. But like I said, if you want to become a member, you'll learn more about this airbrushing stuff. Because, it's a... Once you get the mix ratio right, you won't have a problem. Okay, if you got any questions, just ask. But if you want to learn more about the airbrushing, get into the giveaway, you got to be a member. That's just the way it is. Okay, talk to you later. Bye for now.